I look a little different because my hair is in a slick back pony, which I'm really enjoying. Usually I'm very conscious about that stuff because of these guys right here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed this makeup look right here using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I also have some metallic liner going on, which I'm living for. If you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, please keep watching. To start off today's look, I'm going to be using Bio Oil as a primer to hydrate and to prep for foundation. I'm using the combination of two L'Oreal foundations today, the Pro Matte and the Pro Glow. I find that the Pro Glow is a little bit ashy on my skin tone, so mixing the two gives me the perfect base. I feel like the combination of the two foundations not only gave me my perfect match, but also a very healthy, flawless coverage. And to blend that out, I'm going to be using my trusty old beauty blender. Then going in with my favorite contour stick by Maybelline, I'm going to be applying that in the hollows of my cheek, forehead, nose, and jawline. Using another favorite tool of mine from Real Techniques, I'm going to use that to blend out the contour. For concealer today, I'm going to be going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer in the shade 04 and just spot concealing and highlighting the normal areas. I usually go for a shade that's about 2 to 3 shades lighter than my actual skin tone, but today I just wanted to focus on natural looking bronzy glowy skin. For my highlight, I decided to go in with the color Tattoo in the shade Barely Branded. Now I know this is an eyeshadow, but look how stunning this comes out on the skin. I feel like it gave me the most beautiful, natural looking highlight without being too chunky or glittery. I quickly filled in my eyebrows off camera, and I'm just carving them out with a little bit of concealer and applying that all over the lids to act as a base for the eyeshadows. I find that every time I do carve them out, my makeup looks so much sharper and neater. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using this NYX liquid lipstick in the shade Kitten Heels. I'm so sorry for that god-awful swatch, but I'm using that as a base all over my eyelids, so the eyeshadows that I put on top of it will pop out a little bit more. I'm just using a clean blending brush just to buff out the edges so there are no harsh lines. Using Raw Sienna and Burnt Orange from the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to be working that into the crease as my transition shade. I'm taking Red Ochre and Venetian Red and just packing that all over my lid. Now this palette doesn't need help with pigmentation because it is such a pigmented, beautiful palette, but you can tell that the red lipstick that I applied before really helps the colors to stand out more. I'm then going in with the darkest shade in the palette called Cypress Umber and just creating a little C shape in the outer corner of my eye and blending it out with a clean blending brush. Also, I apologize for my footage being so blurry. Every time that I try to take close-up shots of my eye makeup look, my camera struggles to keep in focus. What to do? For the metallic liner, I'm taking the Revlon Photoready Eye Art and taking just the metallic end of it and swatching it on the back of my hand and applying it as I would any liquid liner. I'm then taking the shade Vermeer and just applying a tiny little line underneath the metallic wing. I'm going to take this stunning gold shade called Primavera and apply that on my brow bone and my inner corner as highlight. To really smoke out my lash line, I'm going to apply these two shades and a Burgundy eye pencil on my waterline. To finish off this look, I'm going to take the Dose of Colors lipstick in the shade More Creamer Please and lining my lips with the NYX Lip Pencil in the shade Natural, just because I love this lipstick, but sometimes I feel like it blends in with my skin tone. A little quick spritz of rose water, and that is it, guys. I hope you liked this makeup look as much as I did. Please share, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll let you finish. It's a little tiny little pony. Aftermath of makeup tutorial. Swatches everywhere.